Hey there, garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews.
Today, we're diving into the CARPATHEN drip irrigation system, touted as one of the best solutions for raised bed gardening. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this system promises to revolutionize how you nurture your plants.
Let's start with what makes the CARPATHEN drip irrigation system stand out. It's a complete kit designed to simplify your gardening efforts. Included are 10 vortex drip emitters and 20 spray drip emitters, ensuring precise watering tailored to your plant's needs. With 50 feet of flexible 5/16" tubing and another 50 feet of 1/4" tubing, you have the versatility to set up multiple watering zones effectively. What I love about this system is its adaptability.
It operates between 20 to 45 psi, making it suitable for various water pressure environments. The emitters are adjustable, allowing you to fine-tune the spray pattern for each plant type.
Plus, they're detachable and easy to clean, which means less hassle with clogging over time.
Setting up the CARPATHEN system is a breeze. Simply connect the 3/4" hose to your water source and use the 5/16" tubing as the main line. Branch off with the 1/4" tubing to distribute water directly to your plants. Each drip emitter stake can be securely placed in the soil, ensuring stability even in loose ground.
It's designed for longevity, with UV-resistant materials that withstand the elements year-round. Now, let's talk efficiency. By directly hydrating the roots, this system minimizes water waste from evaporation, potentially saving you money on water bills. It's perfect for raised garden beds, potted plants, or any garden layout where precise watering is crucial for plant health and growth. Wrapping up, the CARPATHEN drip irrigation system is a game-changer for any gardener looking to optimize watering routines. Its durability, ease of setup, and customizable features make it a standout choice in the market. Whether you're nurturing vegetables, flowers, or herbs, this system ensures they receive the right amount of water without the guesswork. That concludes our review of the CARPATHEN drip irrigation system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and gardening tips. Until next time, happy gardening!